Hey guys, in this video I will cover how you can deploy your local project to your GitHub account. So first we can just run this project. So this is a basic index or HTML file where just a little bit clone of your YouTube. Then there are multiple ways to just deploy to your project to your GitHub account. So the first one is when you are going to your Visual Studio, you will able to find this icon source control. Click on this. Then after that you just need to click on publish to GitHub. Here you will just find just mention the repository name. You can just take anywhere like EAT test, the first one, and just make you have the option just choose a private or public. So we can just make public as of now and just click enter. After it again click enter. If you need to select all the file, you can just customize it. Click OK. So it is publishing right now. If the account is not setting up to your Visual Studio, it is asked for login and redirect to login. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes only. Once publishing is done, it will showing this pop-up open to GitHub. We can click on this. So here you will find this your source code with this all the images and all. So this is the one way, and the another way to just upload your this project to your GitHub. First we will go to the folder location. As of now we will just delete this git because it is created with this Visual Studio. So here you just need to set up the GitHub code first. So here first need to open GitHub, then create a new repository. You can just mention any name. I will take as of now test1. Now it's optional thing, just create repository simply. In this page you just need to copy this URL only and just go to Notepad. There are some of the set of the commands I will just share in the description also, these things. You just need to copy the whole section and go to the folder location where your project is pointing out, and if any .git file is present, just delete it. Just right click and open git bash here. If it is not showing in your, I'll just pointing out one video. You can just download this. Here you just copied the text. You just need to paste it by shift insert and just press enter. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes and your whole local project just push to the GitHub. Yeah, it's done. Now we can just check again. We will go to GitHub and just refresh this page. So the all codes are come here. Now the another thing, publish is complete. Now we can just start how we can deploy the application. So this is currently running in local. So we will just try to run in globally. So first go to the repository and go to the settings section. Inside the settings section, just in the left navbar, just go to pages. And a pages, go to make sure just choose deploy from a branch is already selected. Then go to branch and select your master and root, and then just click on save it. So it will take around 1 minute to just deploy your website. You can also see here in the coding section, you just have this thing, operations. Here you will find all the things which are doing this GitHub as of now. It is currently built, and just check out and just build checklink. So it will just do all the required thing which need to just publish your website. Setting up the job, report bill status. Yeah, it's deployed as of now. So where you can find the link, again go to settings section and just pages. In a pages you will here to find this link. You can just go to visit site here. Now this is globally. So it is easy and very simple to just publish your GitHub website to your globally. Here you can also unpublish if you don't need it. So that's easy and simple. You can just put in comment section if you are facing any challenges. If you like my video, please subscribe and like. And thanks for watching.